For me, yeah, I think the Leaving Cert was pretty important because I've always felt that education is important because you can't really get anywhere without it. So, I mean, for me, I always thought that I was going to go to college and I was always going to get a job. My parents were the first ones in their family to go to college, and it just seemed like the logical path.
I didn't have too much problem with it. I had an unconditional offer for a course in the UK, so it's just a matter of doing it, really.
I think the leaving is pretty important, but it wouldn't be the be-all and end-all. I think if you can get a good leaving, it kind of sets you up really well. But if you don't lose heart and go get practical experience, then that's a good idea as well.
At the moment, I don't really agree with the system. I mean, it suits some people, it doesn't suit the majority, I don't think.
I don't think it's really appropriate for the modern world, and I think it's more of a test of a child's or a teenager's ability to recite information rather than to think critically.
They have to have some kind of basis on which they can judge children. They have themselves to set standards and set kind of targets, and it's basically the best way to do it for themselves, you know.
Secondary education is obviously very important for Ireland as we move forward, trying to get out of this slump that we're currently in. Education, that's essentially what we're outsourced at the minute. We haven't got manufacturing, we're going to have knowledge-based economies.